Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this Blume box that I just opened up. Basically, it's a vegan, cruelty-free, certified clean skincare. This is basically for an oil-free acne-prone skin. What it does is it basically helps you calm acne. Instead of stripping or drying your skin, it actually clarifies the oil at any time of the day and basically gives you that clear skin that you're desiring. This is what it looks like up close. As you can see over here, you have, it's woman-owned, which is amazing, yay! Certified clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and 100% recyclable as well. I just love the color, the baby blue. Everything about it is just calming. Use the meltdown so you don't have a meltdown when you get acne. Let's see what the dripper looks like. Ooh. Okay, so I'm assuming, this little thing, I'm assuming you push and then release. Yep. Super, super easy to use. This is directions. Use a drop or two on fingertips. Pat onto the areas that need love or rub all over for prevention. Day or night, follow with moisturizer for extra absorbency. So this is literally all you need to do is, when you get that little pimple, dot it on there and then it will melt away. Meltdown. If you want to purchase this, go ahead and check out the link below. If you like product unboxings and unopenings, continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.